In this healing meditation, we will be asking the healing angels of light to help heal, strengthen, and boost your immune system. Hello, my name is Brian McCullen, and within this healing meditation, we will be asking the healing angels of light to assist in helping heal, strengthen, and boost your immune system. It is recommended to practice this meditation daily or whenever you wish. So when you're ready, sit back, relax, and close your eyes. We call upon the healing angels, Archangel Michael and Father Mother God, to connect with you now, to bless and protect you within the holiest divine light. We ask for the healing angels of light to support, heal, and boost your immune system. We ask for the healing angels of light to stand within and around your energy field now. We ask for the healing angels of light to perform a scan on your entire energy system and physical body. And just for a few moments, relax while they scan your body and energy field. We ask for the healing angels of light to lay healing hands of light upon your aura and body now, and to channel whatever specific healing frequencies and vibrations is needed for you now to strengthen and help repair your immune system. Now we ask for the healing angels of light to pray over you and for you to boost and strengthen your immune system. And in your mind, see the healing angels lay healing hands of light upon your energy field and body. And to channel whatever specific energy medicine and to make whatever changes is needed on an energetic level to boost and strengthen your immune system. In your mind's eye, be aware of various healing colors being woven into your body and energy field. Don't worry if you cannot see the colors, just be aware of the healing energies flowing into and around your body. In your mind, imagine breathing in the healing energies and allowing them to heal, strengthen, and repair your immune system. See the healing energies flowing like liquid light into and around your head, flowing down the back of your head, into and around your ears, over and around your face, and because this is energy, you can safely breathe it in. See and feel the healing energies flowing into and down your neck and around your throat. Imagine breathing the healing energy into your throat softly and gently 3 times. The angelic liquid healing light now pours into and around your chest, into your lungs, healing, repairing, and strengthening your lungs. Breathe the healing energy into your lungs nice and gently 3 times. We ask the healing angels of light to bring the healing liquid light into and around your solar plexus and sacral chakra, healing, repairing, balancing, and strengthening. See the liquid light flowing into all internal organs, filling each of these with healing liquid light. We ask the healing angels to heal, repair, and strengthen your vitality and life force in all of your internal organs. The angelic liquid healing light now flows into and around your base chakra, an inch below your tailbone, healing, repairing, and strengthening your immune system. Breathe the healing energy into your base chakra, nice and easy, 3 times. We ask the healing angels of light to integrate and absorb all of these healing energies into your body. We ask the healing angels of light to bring through any energies needed to ground your energy field, to balance and stabilize your energy field now. We thank the healing angels and God for your assistance and continued support. And when you're ready, you can gently bring your awareness back now. If you like this technique, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if you feel this can be of benefit to someone else, feel free to share this meditation. Also, please do leave a comment below to let me know how this meditation has helped you. Thank you.